video a little bit. Okay, so it turns out, guys, that I've woken up to two big bones. Now this section, move your head. This section here looks like the car collided with a pole. Now I got up quick, and it looks like it collided in the back of another car from behind. Probably went around the corner too fast. But I heard neighbours over there saying, "Hey, back away from the car." There's a lot of people walking now. I can see on the camera there's flashlights, there's people that's over there, neighbours, that's the neighbours there, they getting upset.
Oh my god, I see it. It's not the car. It's near the house. In the middle between the house. Looks like there's something between the house.
Oh shit, and here we go.
It's not a car.
Okay, it's not in the car. Someone would have stopped the car to do this. Move your fat head so you can catch it. So something smashed in the house, I think. We're not sure, but
not the white car.
But someone's just turned up, and there they are. We need to go on this side and look closely. So, like we will see here, bit shaky because we don't know what's going on. As far as I know, it would most likely maybe be the police that they'll survive.
I see it. Look. Oh my god, the house. They lost their home.
How? What happened?
Look. Something smashed. I told you it wasn't the white car. You can tell.
Wait, I can see it. Is it little one? They shining lights at it? Is it a little one?
They lost their home.
It's a little one.
It's the house.
Explain it. It's a little one.
Where the white car is parked.
Okay, where the white one? Yeah, I'm looking at the white one. Is it where the lights are on, or is it the one next to it?
The one next door, where near the white. Where all the people are outside.
Okay, but is it this car that is behind the pole that crashed into the house, or is there something actually that hit the house?
I think something hit the house because the house is damaged at the front because there's no front window.
See, guys?
Someone might have died if they lost their home.
Somebody stop panicking. It's 3 something in the morning. I had a bad feeling something bad was gonna happen, so they're shining lights now. I'm gonna look here to see what it is.
Oh my god, look, you can see smoke.
Shit, did something
It was a car.
Did something explode in there or something? So a car crashed into it or something? Because I heard a bang.
Look, there's going to be a fire or something, or smoke.
Because I heard a bang. I hope people in there are okay. I think they got out, actually, and went next door.
They're in the bedroom, not the lounge room, so I think they're okay. They're probably sleeping.
And who's that? Somebody just walked out to have a look. I don't know.
There's a bit of a fire, I think. I don't know.
I want to kind of go out there. Oh yeah, there is. Look. There's a fire.
God.
Oh shit.
Get rid of it. They need a fire engine or something more than a
No, because someone just looked around there and thought, oh shit, yeah, look, it's starting.
They need to
oh
put
shit,
it out
they do.
It goes to the next house.
Okay, so what?
The fire brigade more.
I think there's people around the side trying to get that fire out. Okay, so what I'm seeing here, guys, what you're seeing here is very, very sad. It's not somebody's house that is on fire. What you're seeing is Aisha, they police have stuff there. I want to go out there and record this more, but I don't want to get risk of getting into trouble for recording this. But as far as you could see, there's a fire, thus to where that house is, and I never seen this much smoke. So there's smoke actually. Let me zoom out. So this is me zooming out now.
I hope this doesn't happen to your house. Well, it went kiss it.
So there's people there walking now. They kind of shock. I can turn up the brightness to see.
Oh, who knew that would happen to someone else in real life?
I don't know. So what happened was.
It doesn't come.
Okay. Whoa. Okay.
That's the police, not fire engine. They're not professional.
Don't tell them what to do. Should we leave just in case? Should we go out? Because when you see a fire like this, normally it spreads faster. So, do you want to leave?
Though.
Yeah, it's going up. Do you want to get out of here for safety?
I don't know, I'm so scared. Lucky I didn't go home again.
Can we go? Okay, so this place.
Fire brigade.
There is a fucking police. There is a fire brigade coming. Police has contact with fire brigades.
I'm so scared.
Let's go out.
I hope they're recovering.
Let's go out. Don't pack anything. Let's just go.
Because they lost their home.
Let's just go out. Come on. Where's the keys? Where's the keys? Just because when the fire happens, you know where to go. We have to. Get your let's get one item. Don't get your shoes. Don't get your shoes. Okay, just in case.
You sure you want to go out?
Babe, we're not staying here if there's a fire. Right, of course now. New updates of fire. What's going to happen? This is news for Mum. This is news for me. Right. That's bring your phone. Don't worry about wallet. Need your light for a sec. I need your light. Oh, shut up. Oh, it wasn't deadlocked, you kidding me? What if there was a fire right here? I'm just saying. There's a fire going on right there.
No, I think it's really bad. All the trees light.
I don't care, I'm going out there. I think we're stuck in here. No, we're not. Let's go. Lock the door. Let's lock the door. Do you lock it? Lock it. Turn the thing.
Oh, these her boyfriend. Her boyfriend is name.
Come on. Lock it. Need your torch. So here's the smoke right now, guys. That's the smell of a flaming thing. That's it right there. We are covered. A little bit. Need your torch. I need your torch. Okay, so gotta keep it quiet. I don't want to pretend I'm recording. Oh, we are covered in it. They'd be okay. They're not gonna be fucking homeless. Stop saying that, you dickhead. It turns out to be the ring, though. Holy shit. I was already up, and the next minute 2 bangs happened. Shit.
I don't know how safe to do it.
I woke her up and I said, something just bang, and then I looked, I thought it was the right car because I saw the pole here, and then I thought, no, that's not right, and then I realised something hit that house. Or was it though, like a car or something? Looks like it.
Where's everyone? Do you guys?
Yeah.